This 18 volts brushless 16-gauge straight finish nailer is taking cordless nailing to the next level. No longer will you have to worry about hoses, compressors, or gas cartridges. Metabo HPT is proud to build upon its strong pneumatic heritage and offer a professional cordless option, equipped with brushless motor technology. This nailer delivers increased power with less weight, longer tool life, and longer runtime per charge. This is equipped with a selective actuation button where the user can choose between bump and sequential modes. It also features a tool-less depth of drive adjustment, on-tool battery indicator, integrated pivoting belt hook, and a side lock switch to prevent accidental firing. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Includes cordless finish nailer, compact 3.0 Ah lithium-ion battery, charger, contractor bag, safety glasses. Number 2. Cordless freedom, pneumatic power with 18-volt cordless freedom. Number 3. Applications for molding install, cabinetry, and finish work. Number 4. Applications ideal for installation of chair rail, molding, cabinetry, and other finish applications. Number 5. Power, 1,500 nails per charge using Metabo HPT's new compact 3.0 all-ion battery. Number 6. Pneumatic-like feel, the unique air spring drive system delivers similar performance as a pneumatic nailer. Number 7. Depth adjustment, tool-less depth of drive adjustment for flush drives into various materials. Number 8. Easy switch from bump to sequential, selective actuation switch transitions between sequential mode and bump fire mode when rapid nailing is preferred. Number 9. LED light. LED light is handy when working in low light areas. Number 10. Brushless Motor Technology, longer runtime per charge, less maintenance, and increased durability, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.